Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing the battery plate of your Xiaomi robot vacuum. Today, we will cover everything you need to know, from the tools required to the step-by-step process for a successful repair. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need 1. A Phillips screwdriver to remove screws. 2. A flathead screwdriver for prying open the casing. 3. A multimeter to check battery voltage. 4. Isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. 5. A plastic spudger to avoid damage to delicate components. Once you have all your tools ready, the first step is to ensure your robot vacuum is powered off. Remove it from the charging dock and flip it over to access the battery compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery plate. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. It's essential to note that some models may have additional screws hidden under stickers or rubber feet, so be thorough in your inspection. Next, gently use the flathead screwdriver or plastic spudger to pry open the battery plate. Take your time with this step, as rushing could damage the casing. Once the plate is removed, inspect the battery connections. If you notice any corrosion or dirt, use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean the contacts. Now, check the battery voltage with your multimeter. If the voltage is lower than expected, it may be time to replace the battery. You can find replacement batteries online or at local electronics stores. If you decide to replace the battery, make sure to choose a compatible one for your Xiaomi model. When installing the new battery, connect it securely, ensuring the positive and negative terminals are aligned correctly. Once the new battery is securely in place, it's time to reattach the battery plate. Remember to align it properly before securing it with the screws you removed earlier. If you don't have the tools for this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. After securing the battery plate, it's crucial to perform a quick test. Power on the robot vacuum and check for any error messages. If everything looks good, proceed to clean the internal components. Dust and debris can affect performance, so make sure to use the microfiber cloth to wipe down the sensors and wheels. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you understand what repairs are necessary for your device. Finally, always remember to keep your robot vacuum clean and well maintained. Regularly check for dirt buildup and perform necessary repairs to prolong its lifespan. If you prefer, you can also request a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions about your device's care. That wraps up our guide on repairing the battery plate of your Xiaomi robot vacuum. With the right tools and a little patience, you can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.